If you need an emergency contact QR code, Uniqode makes it simple, but there are a few things you should know before you commit. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create one step by step, plus some critical insights on Uniqode itself and better alternatives that might suit your needs even more. And stick around till the end, because I've got an exclusive free trial that unlocks more than what you'd usually get. Alright, let's get straight to it. First, log in to your Uniqode dashboard. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up first, but keep in mind that their free trial is somewhat limited. Once inside, go to the QR code section and click Create QR Code. Next, select the type of QR code you want. For an emergency contact, you'll likely want to use the vCard Plus option, which lets you store your name, phone number, email, address, and even a profile picture. This ensures that if someone scans it, they can instantly save your contact details. Now, customize your QR code. Uniqode lets you change colors, add a logo, and tweak the design, but only to an extent unless you're on a paid plan. If you want full branding control, you'll have to upgrade. Then, test your QR code before finalizing. Scan it using your phone to make sure all the details appear correctly. If everything looks good, download it in your preferred format, PNG, SVG, or even a high-quality PDF for printing. Before you print or share your QR code, consider one key limitation of Uniqode. While it's solid for generating QR codes, some competitors offer better customization, deeper analytics, and more generous free trials. For example, platforms like QR Code Monkey or Flowcode provide more customization without forcing you onto a premium plan. And if you're using this for emergency contacts, some tools offer real-time updates, so you don't need to regenerate a new QR code every time you change your details, something Uniqode lacks in its lower-tier plans. So, while Uniqode works, if you're serious about creating an emergency contact QR code with better customization and tracking, I've linked some better alternatives in the description. Plus, if you still want to try Uniqode, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial for you, only available through our link. It gives you access to premium features that aren't usually included. Check it out below, and let me know in the comments which platform worked best for you.